Hello, I'm Amy Rose. We will learn about hydrophilic and hydrophobic molecules. Update is now available to all viewers. A hydrophilic molecular portion of a molecule is one whose interactions with water and other polar substances are more thermodynamically favorable than their interactions with oil or other hydrophobic solvents. They are typically charge polarized and capable of hydrogen bonding. This makes these molecules soluble not only in water, but also in other polar solvents. For example, lipids that comprise the cell membrane, and the soap which has a hydrophilic head and a hydrophobic tail, allowing it to dissolve in both water and oil. When some hydrophilic substances do not dissolve, we call the mixture as a colloid. On the other hand, hydrophobic molecules tend to be nonpolar and, thus, prefer other neutral molecules and nonpolar solvents. Because water molecules are polar, hydrophobes do not dissolve well among them. Hydrophobic molecules in water often cluster together, forming micelles. Water on hydrophobic surfaces will exhibit a high contact angle. For example, alkanes, oils, fats, and greasy substances. These molecules are called micelles, an aggregate of molecules in a colloidal solution, such as those formed by detergents. Suppose when you're in the laundry room, including washer and dryer, you use high-efficiency washing powder, or liquid fabric softener to pour in an agitator, filling on each load, helps reduce friction between fibers, which creates less static cling, and helps protect your clothes from wear and tear, making them last longer than if you were to go without. The diagram helps you in better understanding. Each micelle has two parts. One is the head, the hydrophilic part, and other is the tail, the hydrophobic part. Take a look at the two types micelles, including normal and reverse micelle. In normal micelle, suppose oil and water, the micelles come in contact with oil, just the tail touches with oil. We call as solubilized oil. In reverse micelle, on the other hand, water and oil, the micelles come in contact with water, just the head touches with water. We call as solubilized water. So, you know how the micelles formed in this substance. Like, comment, and subscribe now on YouTube.